Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Ford Expedition. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and a 10-speed shiftable A transmission. This Ford has less than 92,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 21 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include trailer tow package, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot. Safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.